increase our outreach, our accessibility and presence at the national level, we have thought to invite the dignitaries from the related areas as chief guest and guest of honor of this program. And just to materialize our progress with fruitful outcome, the expertise from Indian Council of Agriculture Research are associated with us. I would like to congratulate TechFest 2022 organizing team, both the faculty members and students for their untired efforts that to preparation, and I can proudly say that we are successfully able to mark the fresh technology for agriculture in the mind of 3,500 students staying in the campus today. We have especially requested all our faculty staff members to be part of this inaugural function. I extend my sincere thanks to all of you for being here. As we can see that students, they are excited. A number of activities are planned in 2 days. They are divided in different teams and planning for organization of the event, and that is why we can see less number of students but more faculty here. And there is a reason for that. I requested all of you to be part of this activity, because we teachers are the main driving force to propagate this culture where we can plan to adopt the technology and convert. Has made remarkable progress in the field of agriculture. There was a time around 1965 when we were struggling to produce to meet the demand of our country people. In last 35 and 40 years, we have increased the productivity to the great extent. I do remember in 80s and 90s there was a time when a particular product was available only in the specific area of the country. I had enjoyed the fruit lychee first time when I visited Roorkee in 2001-2. इसके पहले मैंने कभी लीची जीवन में खाई नहीं. The basis of Indian economy, from where not only the youth, even the traditional people are trying to migrate. It is our responsibility that we have to facilitate with the technology so that labor-intensive, risk-intensive jobs will be converted with easy solutions. And our youth, the major population, will be able to adopt them as a profession and livelihood for their requirement. The responsibilities. They have conducted a social campaign on the theme Krishi Gyan by visiting the nearby villages. Slide has adopted under Unnat Bharat scheme. We have planned the industry collaboration through Microsoft for conducting career guidance conclave during the program. Our students had visited nearby schools to encourage the students to participate in scientific and engineering activities. Pre-TechFest events were organized in terms of delivering the expert lecture on recent technologies in the areas like humor detection, that is natural language processing, Internet of Things, in agriculture, electrical vehicles, deep learning based Android app development and workshop on Arduino. These technologies can be used for the project development.
So don't miss anyone. Develop technology, enjoy. And that is the best way of developing anything. Even if you enjoy your life, you can develop it in better way. And that's what Director Saab mentioned very clearly, that be joyful, enjoy the stay at the company. He said, utilize every moment of your stay. And remember, it doesn't mean that every moment you keep on reading, every moment you keep on doing. There are various works to do at the campus. Do that and enjoy every moment. That was the sole purpose. We are here at Punjab. You know the greenery of the country. Punjab has been seat of green revolution. State which led green revolution. And Pusa Institute from ICOM was the knowledge capital for green revolution. So it is, and we still have our outreach centers here in Punjab, very closely working with Punjab farmers, very closely working with Punjab farmers. And one assignment is given to me particularly now.